To transfer the internal data from Testo 570 to your PC, just connect the USB cable. Start the software. The instrument will automatically get detected. Change to the archive. Select your measurements. Select the archive and transfer the data. The data is now transferred to your PC, and just save the measurements on the PC. You can also do real-time measurements with the software EasyKool and Testo 570. Therefore, select the measuring cycle and start the measurement. You will see a table of content of the measurement. You can change to a graphical view by clicking on Chart. Then stop the measurement. Switch to the archive. You will get asked to save the data. Select where you want to save the data. The measurement is saved onto your PC. By double-clicking the measurement, you can quickly generate a report by using one of the report templates that's already in the software.